Hi, welcome back to Betsy and Buzz. Buzz is almost finished with the camp renovation.
We are gonna go to town, something that is gonna be really fun for me.
We took a drive into Billings and hit up a few stops. A cidery, a remodeling expo, and an antique store. What more could you want?
So we are just at this property, taking some measurements, trying to see what all we need to get going.
We've been enjoying our time, exploring our options, and making some friends along the way. I'm Betsy, and you'll see Buzz in a sec. Please subscribe and like this video. If you really love me, leave a comment.
Alrighty, good morning. We are back in the store area. We got the actual store portion of this building almost done. Just got to do the trim and all that good stuff, but I like to wait until everything is up and do the trim all at one time. It's a different system, it's a different process, it's just easier to do it all at once. But we moved over into the reception area and we got this whole wall done yesterday, that wall across the doorway, and today we'll be doing this wall, the return, and then the returns back to the other wall there. I'm just waiting on my helper to get here. We'll just keep it going. I gotta go into Billings and pick up Betsy so we can drive about 40 minutes west of Billings and go have a meeting with some folks about, the next step. So. Welcome back. Back on site today and just making real short work out of all this cedar. So we got those two return walls done over there, working on the back wall, and it's crazy to say, but we only have one more wall to do in this stuff. We still got to do the ceiling, unfortunately, but yeah, we just have that one more wall to do. So yeah, it's been a good day. Having Robert here has been really helpful. You probably see him in some of the videos. He's a good worker, so it's been really nice to have an extra hand. So I'm gonna go back to the camper and grab some lunch.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi.
Oh, it's a good girl. Oh, it's a good girl. Stay here.
But it's water. I bumped it a few times.
We have water. Well, I'm keeping it pretty simple today. Oh, pasta cracker. You know what that means. A little cracker for the puppy. Keeping it pretty simple. Just gonna do a vegetable beef stew and a peanut butter sandwich. Alrighty, really productive day today. I'm really happy with everything we got done. We had this return done yesterday, so we got that whole wall done, that whole back corner, and then we got this wall almost done. We got a couple more courses up to the ceiling that we got to do yet. So helper just left. He's been killing it for me. He's getting much more comfortable with the saws and, you know, measurements and that kind of stuff. So he's been doing a really good job. We also got all of this reception area, the whole desk and everything got torn apart. So that's all the cabinets from it right there. The little knee wall is over there in that room. We took all that apart and we're gonna get rid of one of the cabinets and reuse that stuff for their new reception area. Their new reception area doesn't have enough space for all 4 cabinets, so we're gonna delete one of them, and then we'll reuse the countertop and all that stuff. I'll have to cut it and modify it a little bit, but that's no big deal. And we're gonna wrap the whole front of it in cedar so that it matches the whole kind of design in here. I think that's gonna do it for me for today. I'm just gonna head back to the camper, relax, probably work on some editing, just chill for the night. Well, all the cedar on the walls is done. So we finished that up early this morning, and then we went ahead and tackled the ceiling, pulled all the tile down, and de-nailed and stapled everything and swept up the floor really good. So it's been a really productive morning. I'm pretty happy with what we've got done. Whew, all right. I don't remember where we left off exactly, but so we hit a little stopping point because we are adding different lights. We're deleting these old LED fluorescent fixtures, and we are adding like inset can lights. So in here it was easy. We just basically took the runs from the old LED or fluorescent LED strips and just put 4 lights in its place. And here there's only this one fixture, and then there's this one row of fixtures here, but this is going to be more retail space. So back in this corner, I think they're going to want maybe more lighting back here. So we got to this point here with the ceiling and realized, oh crap, we better hold on a second because we might need to start drilling out for lights and putting fixtures in at that point and running wire and stuff. So it's a little earlier in the day. It's only about 3 o'clock, but if you look out, I mean, it's just, it is just a beautiful, beautiful fall, spring day. So I think I'm gonna close up shop here and head back and take the dog out and build fire.
Friday night. A little blurry. Better? I just made dinner and it was so good. It was like sausage, apple, potatoes, sauerkraut. Basically all on one sheet that you put in the oven, except the sauerkraut I heated up on the stove. Hi, Merple. Hi. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep watching this Korean drama that I'm really into right now. I'm on my 2nd beer, so big Friday night. And I'm in the middle of doing the dishes. I just am waiting for more counter space, so I'm waiting on them all to dry. I'm happy. Yeah. Hey. We are gonna go to town to some building expo. You know, something that is gonna be really fun for me. Actually, that's not fair. I think it probably will be fun for me because Buzz will really be enjoying himself, and it's nice to see that. It's just the morning. It's like 9 a.m., so, you know. We're doing our best.
Billings Builders Expo. New to town. Want to meet some people, see some products.
I'm having the time of my life here. Buzz is actually talking to people though, so that's very exciting. I'm just waiting till we go to lunch. So, you know, sort of name. I don't know, Shack or something. It'll probably be fast forwarded, you know, but if you want to strike a pose. Excuse me. Thank you. Exactly. Excuse me. I'm not bothering you, know. I also exist in my own world. You know what it is? A wasps. But like you would be able to make it, right? Or would we just buy it like this?
Yeah, this thing is $13,000. That's
Holy
literally
shit.
twice what it would cost.
Yeah. But like this would be perfect.
It's the Campbell style too. It's the Campbell style.
Yeah. Remediation. Love that. I've been distracted by the shine of your koozie.
Yes.
Can I have one?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
You bet.
Wow. This is incredible marketing. I came from back there just for this.
Alright.
And in conclusion,
So yeah, this has been pretty cool. Got to meet a lot of people, talk about cabinets, wood supplier. I've been looking for a good hardwood supplier, and I got a good lead on that. So yeah, this has been very cool.
and I got to smile at everyone in here.
Cedar house.
Great. It's Phillips 66. Formerly known as Kanoko.
You guys, here we are.
It's okay, I smoke out my room. Me too. These look incredible. So this was recommended by that girl at the trade show that worked for the internet place, TDS Fiber. Yeah. She recommended these to us, and this one, and JoJo's, Big Potato JoJo's. Wow, look how they take only the nice ones. Oh yeah, baby.
Holy shit.
I haven't had it yet.
It's a dessert. That's a straight up dessert.
I don't think so. I think it tastes like stir fry.
Here's that.
Oh, these are good.
I know. Can I get you guys any ketchup, ranch?
Both.
Both? Yeah.
Please.
How many ranches are we wanting?
One for me.
One? Okay. Sounds good. I'll be right back.
Thank you. These fries look so good too.
A sandwich. A little Cuban boy.
I have a bison grilled cheese.
Guys, here we are.
Thank you.
Of course. Enjoy. Let me know if I can get you anything else.
Oh my god, she gave me like a bat of ranch. It's the apple jam on it.
Last Chance is definitely worth a stop if you're in the area. And it's in a
look at
great
that little
location
train
in
car.
Billings.
Cute.
Train station.
Patreon parking. The train station is cool.
We are definitely headed across the street to hit up all of this
Another
railroad
train car.
history. But first, I wanted to stop into an antique store. And good news for me, Oxford Hotel Antiques was right down the road.
Is it being buzzed? Oh!
Hi guys.
Welcome to Billings' hottest antique store. This place has everything. For real though, this place is awesome.
Just got done eating lunch and came over to this little antique shop. There's all this really sick hand-painted signage from some restaurant. Another hand-painted one up there. I'm a sucker for hand-painted stuff. Also found this Stanley Sweetheart block plane. These are kind of hard to come by, especially the original ones. And it looks decently flat too, so hopefully not much refurbishing needs done to it. It's a good price. I think it's gonna go home with me.
That's what I care about.
That's what you pay for?
For us. I mean, but I love it. It's only $20.
All kinds of stuff.
Oh, that's so cute.
I was talking.
And also, if you know me or have been following the channel for very long, I'm a sucker for thermoses. Look at these things. That thing's massive. It's like 1.5 gallons. It's almost enough coffee for one day.
We walked away empty-handed. It's just hard to commit to buying anything when you live in a small camper. Perfect timing though, a train's passing by.
Yeah.
All aboard. What do you say on the caboose?
Must be like a little, there's a bunch of Northern Pacific stuff in there.
Oh yeah. Did he call you out about your train stuff?
No.
Oh, I thought he asked if you liked.
He didn't seem like a...
Did you see the Chessie cat up on
Friendly.
the wall? What's this? Celebrity trains? Means something different.
By this point, I was pretty upset that I had left my coat in the van, and I knew that we would be back to visit all of this stuff, so I just started charging towards the van. We had to celebrate Super Bowl Sunday. We stayed out all day in the sun around the campfire and only went in for the kickoff, right? Is that how football starts? Perfect.
Oh, we got two. Oh my god.
Yeah, you and Buzz both got wins.
Okay. I don't know how to.
Yeah, you're right. Watching the Super Bowl. Kids is really into it. Don't listen to this, please. The Super Bowl just ended. Megan came over and watched it with us, and it's great. I'm really tired, so good night.
Okay, we'll see you next Saturday. Like this video, please. Bye!